Hi guys, Ben here at Cool Motorcycles, here just to give you a quick video rundown of the year 2000 Honda Sp1 that we've got in stock at the moment. It's done 11,000, about 11,500 miles. It's got a great service history. There's been one owner since 2005, so the chap's had it 15 years. Prior to him, I think there were 3 other owners in the first 3 years. That's when it did most of its mileage. It's got every MOT going back to when it was new, a number of invoices for various bits and bobs that have been done. On the whole, it's a very nice low mileage example. There's a few little bits and bobs just where the weather and the moisture in the air has got to the metals in places, but I'll give you plastics are extremely clean all round. It's all original apart from the exhaust and a bit of crash protection. Oh, and the under tray comes with the original exhausts. If you want to swap them over for a more OEM look, yeah, I'll give you a quick walk around, then she'll fire it up. So it's just had a service by us. It's had new front tyre, changed sprocket kit. What else it had? Obviously oils, filters, brake and clutch fluid, a good check over. It's also had the rear suspension linkages stripped and greased. Yeah, so on the swing arm is really where the weather's got to it. A few little bits. Nothing major. Yeah, seat's immaculate. As I say, all the panels. There's no signs of it ever being dropped. The rear tyre's almost new also. Again, just on the swing arm, the bits. There we go, 11,741 miles. I mentioned it's just been serviced, had whatever it needed. It'll also obviously have a full MOT before it goes anywhere. Go. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Contactless delivery is no problem. We can arrange finance through Close Brothers. If you've got a Part X, just pop us an email with pictures and details on, and we shall do our best to get back to you as quickly as we can. Yeah, thanks for watching. Just a quick rundown of the paperwork for the Sp1. So obviously there's a V5. Current owners had it for 15 years, since 2005. I think there were 3 previous owners to that. There's data tag, certificates, and then just plenty of invoices for service work done. It did most of the mileage very early on in its life, and since then, as the MOT show, it's not really done much mileage at all in the last 10 years, 10 or 15 years. But yeah, owner's manual, spare key, all old MOTs going right back to when it was new. Obviously, like I say, paperwork to change servicing. Yeah, nice history with it.